One of the nice things about a Swagelok tube fitting is that you can closely connect the two ports together to create a manifold. And the way you would do that traditionally is with a port connector. The beauty of the port connector is that we've machined from bar stock ferrules at one end and a tube stub at the other. Now, because this is bar stock, we actually have to notch the tube stub so that that ferrule will drop into place because the ferrules won't swage it. So the way you would do that is remove the nut, drop it in, and then connect this port to another port, and then connect that to another port, and connect that to another port, and now you'd have a manifold, a 4-port manifold made out of bar stock, so it's very, very strong. We've actually now created a way that you can do that even shorter, and those are our adapter T's and elbows. And with our adapter T's and elbows, we've actually machined right onto the forging a tube stub. There's a notch so that the ferrule will drop into place, made out of the solid forging. You connect those together. Now you see that connection is significantly shorter than the other one. So we've reduced the overall dimension by about 30%. More importantly, we've reduced the number of connections. So here you have one connection, here you have two connections. So there's less chance for leakage. Now when you take additional adapter T's and elbows and connect them together, look at the savings that we've created. Exactly the same size manifold, 4 ports, but significant savings difference. That's a tremendous savings in real estate if you want to put that inside of a smaller gas box or some kind of smaller assembly. So what we've actually created is the exact same type of manifold, but much shorter. We have 4 ports, just like we have right here, but in a much shorter space. Plus, we've reduced the number of connections. In this type manifold, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connections, but down here, we only have 3 connections. Every connection is a potential leak point, so we've reduced the number of leak points by 50% and reduced the size by a significant margin.